We guide you through how to turn off seen on Instagram so others won't know when you've read their messages. First thing you need to do is open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings, then go to Privacy and choose Messages or Activity Status, depending on your app version. Toggle off Show Activity Status to prevent others from seeing when you're online or have read their messages. Keep in mind that turning this off also prevent you from seeing the activity status for others. Another workaround for reading messages without triggering seen is to use airplane mode. Open the message while offline, then close Instagram before reconnecting. This method helps maintain your privacy using Instagram DMs. So that's it.